Today I'm making a cinnamon peanut butter banana smoothie. So I'm going to start with 2 large frozen bananas. These have been frozen overnight, and I break them into 1-inch chunks, and that helps them blend easier. And about a 1/4 cup of black beans, and this is great because it's high in fiber, good source of protein, and they taste like little chocolate chips in there. And the other thing is it will help slow the sugars from spiking my blood sugar. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. The vanilla extracts, they usually contain a glycerol, which tastes delicious, but it's basically sugar. And beet powder. Now this adds sweetness to it, which I like. It also is great for opening the arteries and blood vessels. So about a 1/4 teaspoon. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ceylon is the healthiest cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. I love cinnamon. I'll level it out because if I do too much, then it's going to be spicy and hot, unless you like it like that. And peanut powder I'm using instead of peanut butter because it's a lot lower in fat and lower in calories. And it will help my blood sugar to become stabilized by keeping my fats low. And we need a liquid. A lot of people use almond milk, but again, I want to keep my fats low, and most plant milks are about 3 grams of fat. Definitely don't want dairy. When I'm allergic to it too, it's got the worst fats of all the saturated fats. So a 1/2 cup, and then blend this all together using the tamper to press it down as it spins together. I use this tea. It's Numi Chocolate Rubios. It's just, I put the tea bag in. I just let it sit there for about 30 minutes. It just has a really good chocolatey flavor. And Numi is a good brand because it doesn't have microplastics like some other teas. Isn't that crazy? And it tastes really good too. I could just pour this into a glass, but I like to eat it with a spoon so I'm not rushing. So here it is. Super cute. It's delicious. And I put the bowl in the freezer so it stays colder longer. Wonderful sweetness from the banana. You don't taste the beet powder. It just gives it a little bit of a sweetness. You hardly taste the beans. They just give it a nice little crunch. Now you could add a little bit of walnut on top if you want more crunch. It's cold and refreshing. It's really delicious. And this gives me a lot of energy. I work out. I lift weights 4 days a week. And I go for a 3-mile walk or hike.